My taco bake. Dice up your onion. Wait, it didn't work. Damn it. Dice up about that much onion. Brown the ground beef and mix in your onions. Add the taco seasoning. You will need 2 packets of seasoning. Add only 1 packet worth of water. If you have this, add it. This adds just a little bite, nothing crazy, no. Toast your tortillas. Time to prep the beans. Damn it, come out. I know. There you go. Oh, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Back to the tortilla toasting. Yeah, I even toast the corn tortillas. Finally. Okay, layer for tortillas in your baking dish like this. Layer in your refried beans first, then your taco meat second. Now add a nice thick layer of shredded cheese. Layer 6 corn tortillas. Spread about half a can of your nacho cheese. Now repeat the process one more time. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the dish looks like this. Double tap and follow.